Real estate market, South Florida, September 2021. Let's see what's hot and what's not. In my previous video, I shared what makes Florida, and specifically South Florida, so very different from the rest of the US. If you missed it, I will drop a link in the description below. Today, we will review current trends, opportunities, and challenges in both commercial and residential. Before we begin, if this is your first time here, take a look around, and if you like what you see, subscribe and stay tuned for more. I'm Kate Smith with Kate Smith Group at eXp Realty. Based in Hollywood, Florida, my team and I represent buyers and sellers in residential and commercial real estate in South Florida, from Miami to Palm Beach. And we look forward to the opportunity of being of service to you as well. I will begin with a quick review of the commercial real estate, opportunities and challenges. As we all know by now, residential side of the real estate has been on fire since summer of 2020. Let's see how has the commercial side fared. Is it hot or is it not? Across the US, the Delta variant took a bite out of the anticipated office occupancy gains as companies halted their expected return to work push or decided to delay plans until this fall. The limited return of business travel also impacted tourism numbers and the hospitality industry in general, particularly since convention season was expected to bring business travelers back in droves. Tenants are increasingly in the driver's seat at the negotiating table, opting for smaller office spaces and shorter lease terms of less than 2 years. Several Florida markets have much stronger commercial market conditions compared to the overall US market, particularly Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Palm Beach, and Daytona Beach. Strong in-migration, still affordable residential and commercial properties, excellent business climate, and tax benefits allow assets in these markets to offer higher returns. Vacancy compression has been most aggressive in the multifamily, retail, and industrial sectors. Residential real estate market continues to hold strong, and now that the international buyers are back, it is expected this trend to continue. In addition, Florida made the headline news again as it took 8 of the top 10 best retirement metros in the US. The drastically increased housing prices do not seem to be a deterrent factor, especially when compared to other US metros such as New York and California. The challenges buyers are facing today: millennials are drowning in student loan debt, which makes home buying difficult for them. FHA, VA, and other government-backed loans are often favored by first-time and low-income buyers. But in bidding wars, as it has been since the pandemic, cash offers or conventional financing seem less problematic to sellers. With the abundance of cash buyers making serious offers for a change, 89% of the sellers say that they are likely to accept an offer from a buyer with conventional financing. They're skeptical when it comes to government-backed loans. Appraisals continue to come short in value in this fast-moving market, which is a serious challenge, as the buyers financing their purchase have to come up with the difference in price if they want the home. Now, let's take a look at the real estate market details for each county of the Tri-County area of South Florida by examining the statistics provided by our local boards. I hope you found this market report capturing the real estate market conditions of South Florida helpful. If you want to have a look at the detailed report for all 3 counties, you will find the downloadable link in the description below. Today, more than ever, it has become very clear to the consumer that real estate represents real value in a changing world. For those of you keeping an eye on the market but are still on the fence looking for a deal, keep in mind that there are 2 times in life and in real estate: now and too late, as all missed opportunities are taken by others. If you are contemplating a move to South Florida but not sure where you should plant your roots, you might find this playlist we put together helpful, introducing some of the best places, neighborhoods, towns, and cities to choose from. Let's go watch it next.